Clayton-built home exteriors may be constructed using an assortment of different materials depending on the options available for the home you choose. These can include aluminum, vinyl, concrete, wood siding, and stacked stone veneer elements. While each exterior material is an excellent choice and have their own benefits, they must be maintained properly. Every home and home location is different. The climate, the amount of sun, shade, surrounding plants, and weather will all have a direct impact on how much maintenance your exterior surfaces will need. Your homeowner's manual provides you with information about how to care for your exterior surfaces, so take a moment to review it. There are a few general items that you should be aware of when considering how to maintain the exterior of your home. If your home has vinyl siding, we do not recommend painting it. However, it does need to be cleaned from time to time as dirt and grime from the elements can build up on the surface. In most cases, a quick rinse with a hose will clean off most of the loose dirt. If you find that there are stains or dirt spots to remove, wipe down the area with mild detergent and a non-abrasive sponge, then rinse it off with water. For tougher stains, if you notice mildew or algae buildup on your vinyl surface, you can pressure wash the vinyl surface to remove dirt and mildew. However, pressure washing is generally not recommended. If you choose to pressure wash your home, take extreme care and be sure to use a low pressure machine. Be sure to carefully read the pressure washer manual prior to cleaning. Incorrectly pressure washing the vinyl siding can drive water up and into the walls of the home, which can lead to damage. Follow these steps to be sure to properly pressure wash your home. Using a 40-degree tip, set the pressure to a minimum of 1500 psi and a maximum of 2400 psi. Hold the pressure washer straight at eye level. Do not aim the pressure washer upward because this could cause the water to collect behind the siding. Water collected behind siding could produce streaks or stay behind the siding, causing premature decay. There are commercial cleaners available that you can apply to the surface before washing the dirt that will further help remove the dirt. However, before doing this, we recommend reviewing the vinyl manufacturer's recommendations for additional cleaning information in order to not void the material warranty by applying certain chemicals. If you have exterior wood or cement surfaces, a fresh coat of paint every 2 to 3 years is recommended. Wood surfaces that receive direct sunlight will require fresh coats of paint more frequently. Inspect these surfaces every 6 months for damage from the elements, splitting wood, and normal wear. If exterior wood has been split, damaged, or if the nails have worked their way out, first reset or replace the nail into the original position. Then sand the area to smooth out any displaced wood. Then add wood filler caulk and repaint the surface. Exterior wood surfaces will wear over time and will need homeowner maintenance to maintain the quality of the siding. Freestanding wooden composite decks are a great addition to any home. Keep in mind, however, that any defect or damage caused by the deck connected directly to the home is not covered by the home warranty. If you have a deck next to your home, do not install any skirting around it because this can trap moisture around your deck. Over time, this could create condensation problems under your home. During normal climate changes, all deck surfaces will expand and contract. These will eventually cause normal cracking, cupping, and twisting of the boards. If any boards become loose, you can reset them with a hammer or a screw gun. With a wood deck, you should occasionally seal or stain the wood to prolong its life. Check with professionals at your local home improvement store to make sure you stain your deck with the best products for the climate in your area. If the home has brick or decorative stone elements on the exterior, be aware that hairline cracks may form in the mortar between the bricks and the stones over time. Contact your local home center or home improvement store to find a qualified mason in your area to repair these cracks properly. Skirting can greatly enhance the curb appeal of a manufactured home. If you choose to add skirting to your home, make sure vents located around the skirting remain unblocked to reduce moisture buildup under the home. Moisture buildup may cause structural damage to components under the home, such as mildew formation from excess moisture absorption. Check your skirting at least once a year for vent blockages. If you find blockages in the vented areas, remove the blockages to ensure plenty of airflow under your home. If you have vinyl skirting, be sure to avoid hitting the skirting with a weed trimmer because it can cause damage to the base of your skirting. Installing a skirt guard at the bottom of your skirting will help protect it from weed trimmers and normal wear and tear. You can clean your skirting by rinsing it off with a hose. If you find that there are tougher stains to remove, wipe down the area with a mild detergent and a non-abrasive sponge, then rinse it off with water. We suggest that you do not plant flowers, shrubs, or other plants right up against your skirting or foundation. Instead, landscape the area directly around your home with non-living materials such as bark or mulch. When you water around your home, make sure to avoid continuously spraying against your home. This will help reduce fading and staining of your skirting and exterior surfaces. Maintaining and caring for the exterior components of your home is a great way to have amazing curb appeal while also making sure your home stays in great shape. Next, learn about the way your heating and cooling systems work and how you can make sure they continue to work properly over many years.